Maternity nursing bra. If you want to buy this product, please check the video description. For orders, please check video description. This is the video you must watch. So 32% discount, actual price $22, but after 32% discount, this is the discount price. 23 reviews and 110 sold. Gratlin plus size wire-free cotton maternity nursing bra and breastfeeding lingerie pregnancy. Okay, this one is black, another one is charcoal color and white, this one is black, and another one is beige. Okay, so this one is the front part, size chart, wireless but good support. Okay, front part, another front part, back part, this one is back part. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description.